Alright, so once again tonight we are going to go live. We haven't gone live in a while. Hear what? Tonight we go live 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. tonight, we go live. We are going live for 1 hour with 4 topics. Alright, that means it's 15 minutes per topic. If you've ever seen these lives before, then you know, say, more than likely, it might last more than an hour. The topics we are going to go live with tonight. 1, missing Jamaica right now. Want go home a me yard. That's 1. The second topic we're going live with tonight is Lady Saw is catching flack for doing dancehall reggae. Is it wrong? Do you agree? And is there such a thing or can be such a thing as dancehall? It's not dancehall reggae, dancehall gospel. Sorry, she's catching flack for doing dancehall gospel. Is it wrong? Do you see dancehall mixing with gospel? Or is she just trying to hold on to the dancehall thing? Or whatever you want to say over there. That's the second topic. The third topic we're going to talk about is Vybz Kartel on Russians live. You know, some cell get raided along with other cells. Them claims a cell phone was found. A lot of people are misconstrued. So we are going to break it down plain for everybody to see that's on the live. The fourth topic we're going to talk about is domestic violence. Gal man beat her. And she says she's not pressing charges. A lot of people call her a yamhead, tupid, dunce, all these names. But the issue is much deeper than that, and we're going to touch on that as well. A backup topic that we have now is about Pretti Don. Pretti Don is another well-known vlogger. She's mostly on Facebook and YouTube, and Pretti Don is now stemming off the domestic violence thing. She beat up her lover, her woman, her girl, and she is now, was offered bail, but apparently the judge ordered her to still be held because of her immigration situation. We're going to talk about that as well. Alright? Remember, you can call in tonight, you know, and the number is 806-587-8953. I will make sure the phone is fully charged. You can call in, speak your mind. Here are the rules for tonight. The first person that says anything about no virus or them something that you get fling out of the room or you're going to get muted in the room. Alright? We don't want to talk about no virus. We don't want to talk about no COVID-19. We don't talk about no coronavirus. We don't want to talk about none of that. We want to free our minds of that tonight and talk about these 4 topics. It's going to be a party. I think I might get myself a bottle of wine, and I don't know how the live go already, right? Usually our lives are very spirited, especially when a lot of people are calling in. So please make sure that you call in. I will do my best to make sure that everybody has a certain amount of time on the phone. If you find someone going over, then we have to go cut them off, all right? So don't think I'm being disrespectful. I just want as many people to call in as possible. We've had lives before where when the live was finished, it literally said 180 calls missed. That's people trying to get in, and we only had room for 5 to 10 people to talk because sometimes we let one person talk for a whole 10 minutes. You have a maximum of 5 minutes to talk tonight, all right? You have a max of 5 minutes to talk tonight. So get your mind ready. Whatever the topic is you want to say, and make sure you call in and say your piece in your allotted 5 minutes. I literally am going to have a stopwatch waiting. Ready? Go. And you have a max of 5 minutes and go. Alright? That kind of stuff I go on tonight. So, missing Jamaica right now. Want to go home my yard. That's a part of the topic. Please be very creative in how you speak. Just the same way how we speak about other things, but we don't have to get derogatory because we get creative in our language, is the same way I expect you to tonight. Please speak and use other terms instead of using this term here, like I said it, I don't want to hear nothing about no coronavirus. You see how me I mention it now? Because I don't want to mention it later. If you say the word later, you're not going to be on the live for long. Okay? So, Missing Jamaica right now, one go on me yard is part 1. That's the first topic. Ladies saw catching flack for doing dancehall gospel is the second topic. Vibes Cartel on Russian live and the cell phone found. That's the third topic. Domestic violence. The girl man beat her and the girl says she not pressing charges. People call her a yamhead. But the issue is much deeper. That's the fourth topic. And our backup topic is Pretti Don with her domestic violence issue and the laws, rules, and regulations in the United States of America right now, because she's been offered bail and them say she not gonna know where. They're holding on to her because of her immigration status. Immigration status, domestic violence, lock up, you know how the rest are gonna go, or maybe you don't. That's what we're gonna talk about tonight, alright? So make sure to call in. Call in, call in, call in, and I'll see you then, alright? Tonight, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Don't miss it. And don't bother talk about, oh God, me miss it again. Don't want to hear it. Alright? See you then. Peace.